Hello students, welcome to grade 10th Real Numbers, part 6. Today we will learn how to identify whether the given word problem would be solved by using LCM or HCF. Before we start, let's recall HCF means highest common factor and LCM means least common multiple. A factor is always smaller than or equal to the given number. Example 36. We find its factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 36 has so many factors, but none of them is greater than 36. And if we take multiples of say 3, multiples of 3 can be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. We notice that each of the multiples is greater than or equal to 3. Also, we have observed that number of factors of a given number is finite, but the number of multiples of a number is infinite. Methods of finding HCF. We have learnt prime factorization, long division and Euclid's division lemma. Methods of finding LCM. We learnt by finding separately prime factors and then calculating the LCM, and also by combined prime factorization method. We will try to revise all methods while solving various word problems. Whenever you get a problem where you have to use either HCF or LCM, first of all, you guess whether the answer that you are going to get will be less than the given number or greater than. If it is going to be less than, then definitely you are going to use the HCF method because factors are always smaller than the given numbers. And if the answer would be greater than the given numbers, then you will be using LCM method or you will be finding the LCM. Question number 1. Find the largest number which divides 129 and 545, leaving remainders 3 and 5 respectively. Now, the required numbers that are to be divided exactly would be 129 minus 3, that is 126, and 545 minus 5 is equal to 540. We want the number that would divide these two numbers, that is 126 and 540. Clearly, the number has to be smaller than both. Hence, we will be finding the HCF. Find the factors of 126. Find the factors of 540. 126 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 7. 540 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1. Now, how we used to calculate HCF? We were taking the least power of the common multiple and multiplying it. So here, which is the least common multiple? Here it is 2. Least power of the common multiple is 2 and least power of the common multiple 3 is 2. So we multiply them. 2 into 3 raised to the power 2 gives me 2 into 9, which is equal to 18. Question number 2. Two tanks contain 504 and 300 and 735 liters of milk respectively. Find the maximum capacity of the container which can measure the milk of either tank an exact number of times. Now here we have to find the capacity of the container which would be less than the capacity of two tanks. Definitely the answer is going to be less than 504 or 735. So it is less, that means I need to find the HCF. Hence, the maximum capacity of the container which can measure milk of either tank is exact number of times will be HCF of 504 and 735. So now here I have used the division method to find out the HCF. So we will divide the bigger number with the smaller number. So I get 231 231 now becomes the divisor and 504 becomes the dividend. So again I divided by this, that is multiplied by 2, you get 462, you get 42. Now this remainder becomes the divisor and it divides 235. So you get again 21. This gives me the remainder 0. So this means this last divisor is the HCF. Hence the maximum capacity of the container which can measure the milk of either tank is 21 liters. Next, an army contingent of 612 members is to march behind an army band of 48 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Now we notice when the groups need to march in the same number of columns, it indicates that the bigger groups need to be divided into smaller groups. Hence the answer ought to be smaller than the given numbers 612 and 48. So we will find HCF using prime factorization. You may use division method also. So 612, I get prime factorization of this as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 17. And prime factorization of 48 is 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. So HCF will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. Hence the required number of columns will be 12. One more thing we can notice, that in most of the questions the problem gets solved through these numbers. If it is maximum, you have to find something maximum, greatest, largest, like that, or highest, then usually we use the highest common factor method, right? And if it is least, smallest, shortest, then we can find the LCM. But there are certain questions where we need to guess a little bit, right? So now question number 4. A sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 150 Badam burfis. He wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. How many of these can be placed in each stack? How many stacks are formed? Notice that when the stacks would be formed, they would contain the number of burfis that would be less than both 420 and 150, right? Hence we will have to find the HCF. On solving, we get HCF of 420 and 150 is equal to 30. Therefore, the maximum number of burfis in each stack is going to be 30. Now, the number of stacks of Kaju burfis will be 420 divided by 30. That is equal to 14. And number of stacks of Badam burfis will be 150 divided by 30. That is 5. And total number of stacks will be 14 plus 5. That is equal to 19. Let's take one more question. On a morning walk, 3 persons step out together and their steps measure 30 centimeter, 36 centimeter and 40 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each would walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? Our intuition clearly tells us that the answer is definitely going to be greater than 36 centimeter, 30 centimeters and 40 centimeters, because these are the size of their steps. We want distance, right? And distance is going to be greater than this. So hence here we are going to find the LCM. So LCM of 30, 36 and 40 by combined prime factorization will give me 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 5. That is 360 centimeters. Hence the minimum distance each would walk so that they cover same distance in complete steps is 360 centimeters. Question number 6. Ravi and Shikha drive around a circular sports field. Ravi takes 16 minutes to take one round, while Shikha completes the round in 20 minutes. If both start from the same point at the same time and go in the same direction, after how much time will they meet at the starting point? Clearly, the answer can't be 16 minutes or 20 minutes. Since they have to meet at the starting point, they will have to complete certain number of rounds, and these are the timings of one round each. Hence, the answer has to be multiple of 16 or 16 and 20. So, we will be finding least common multiple. That 16 can be factored as 2 raised to the power 4. 20 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 5, and so the LCM will be equal to the product of the highest power of each factor involved, that is 2 raised to the power 4 into 5, that is equal to 16 into 5, which is equal to 80. So they both will meet at the starting point after 80 minutes. I hope your lots of queries would have been solved by solving these questions. Now, hence we sum up today's video through these points. We can use HCF when we have to split the things into smaller sections. We have to equally distribute 2 or more sets of items into their largest group. To figure out how many people we can invite to arrange something into rows or groups. Generally, if the question contains the words like least, smallest, minimum, we are able to solve the question by finding LCM, that is least common multiple. When there are words like greatest, largest, highest, maximum, etc., we solve the question by finding HCF. We also noticed in today's examples that when we guess that the answer is going to be greater than the given numbers, we will use LCM, and when the answer is going to be less than the given numbers, we shall be using HCF. Thank you.